Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss solution of the question paper of Combined Geo-Scientist Main Examination 2026 Chemistry paper number 3. Okay. Now question is that the solution comprising 1.0 gram pyrolusite is treated with the 100 ml of 0.1 and normal oxalic acid and sulfuric acid. Now, the excess oxalic acid requires 27 ml of 0.05 potassium magnet for complete titration. It is a titration method. In this method, the potassium KMnO4 is used in excess amount to complete the titration for the acid. Acid is the oxalic acid and sulfuric acid mixture. And find the amount of the manganese dioxide ions in weight percentage in the sample, and given molar mass of the manganese dioxide is 87 grams moles per liter. It is a titration method. And the KMnO4 in between the KMnO4 and oxalic acid. To solve this type of the question, it is the analytical question, and in this question, the pyrolusite pyrolusite is the ore, and mass of the pyrolusite is the 1.0 gram. Okay, 1.0 gram, and the titration is going on. Okay, now problem is that find the amount of manganese oxide by weight percentage in 1.0 gram of pyrolusite. Okay, so how to calculate it? There are the multi-step calculation. Because of the we have to find the amount of by percentage. So step number 1, we will calculate step by step. Step number 1, in the first step we will calculate the total molar equivalent, because of the here the titrations concentration is normality and molarity. Okay, and solution KMnO4 used in the normal solution. So first we will calculate the total molar equivalent of oxalic acid. So how to calculate it? For this calculation, the formula is used. In this formula, use of the total volume of the our substance, that is the treated with the 100 ml of 0.1 and oxalic acid. So now here write the oxalic acid 100 ml and its calculate the molar equivalent of oxalic acid. Okay, so volume into their normality, then we will get the molar equivalent, 10 molar equivalent. It will be the 10 molar equivalent. Now in the step number 2, we will calculate the molar equivalent of oxalic acid in excess amount. Already given in our question, given is the excess amount of the oxalic acid. Also, we have to calculate the molar equivalent of excess oxalic acid. Similarly, we can calculate excess means 27 ml in excess amount, that is the, and nominator is the 0.5, and again we will calculate it similarly, and 1.35 molar equivalent of excess oxalic acid. Okay, now step number 3. In the step number 3, we will calculate the molar equivalent of the second component. Second component is the manganese dioxide MnO2. Okay, and for this calculation, the total that is the given in our question, that is the, just a moment, it is the given the 10. Okay, 10 here the 1 point and excess oxalic acid and sample molar mass of 80. Okay, so now manganese oxide, the 10 minus 1.35 equivalent. Okay, it will be the 8.6 molar equivalent of the manganese oxide. Now step number 4. In the step number 4, weight of, now calculate the weight of MnO2. Oh, MnO2, the equivalent weight of MnO2 manganese dioxide is equal to 87, its molar mass divided by the 2. Okay, and it will be the 43.5 grams per equivalent. Okay. Now mass of manganese oxide 8.65. It is the molar equivalent multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 equivalent. For the conversion of the unit, we will multiply 10 to the power minus 3 into 43.5. It is the weight of the manganese oxide, 43.5 gram per equivalent. Okay, after the calculation, we will get 0.376 grams. Okay, 0.36 gram. And now they are asking about the percentage, that the result will be the 0.376 gram divided by 1 gram into multiply by 100 gram, because of the weight of the peroxide is the 1.0 gram, which is given in our question. So we have put it this grams in this formula, and after the calculation we will get result. Result is that 37.6 weight percentage of our manganese dioxide. Okay, the percentage amount of this is the 37.6.